What's up YouTube? I hope you're doing great despite the bloodbath in the market, guys. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, as I will be sticking around through the bear markets looking at key opportunities and projects we can dollar cost average and hold for a few years and potentially make a lot of money. And we'll be looking at lots of Web3 projects, lots of metaverse, lots of play to earn, lots of staking and DeFi things. So make sure, if that's a bit of you, subscribe to the channel. So hop over to my Twitter page down below as well in the description and enter my $100 giveaway. So we're going to check out basically AAVE today. I feel so bad for some AAVE holders right now because people were buying in at these upper levels at 256 following the V3 deployment. And yeah, we're just in so much capitulation all round. Terra Luna as well. It's just another horrible scenario. And I guess it's a good reason as to why you should diversify a portfolio in cryptocurrency, because you just don't know when one project is going to fail you or capitulate down to levels that you just did not dream of. So basically AAVE, the way it's been moving, early Feb 2021 we had the first 50% correction, 74% correction from the all-time high down to that summer 2021 lull, and then from the next swing high down to where we are now, we've actually had an 85% correction, which is pretty humongous. Big correction, absolutely. From the actual market cycle top, what we've seen from AAVE down here is a 90% correction from its all-time high. Now, traditionally, for projects that I think will stay and stand the test of time and have the cash reserves to actually stay around and do the marketing and develop and all these things, I would actually probably say we are getting to the point where AAVE might be hitting a bottom, because if you look at the RSI, it's the only time we've ever been fully overextended under 30 on the daily time frame, sitting at 24. And the last time was actually December 2021, and when we did, we got a lovely impulse to the upside. So I do anticipate we're going to get a bounce soon for AAVE, and I do think we'll be coming up not to $200, not at all, but I do think, at least looking at the previous area of resistance, I would like to see AAVE pop back up to about $115, retest, and then get a breakout to the upside. Of course, this very much depends on what the rest of the market decides to do and whether we get that relief bounce for Bitcoin, but I do anticipate that we will hopefully move a little bit higher. If you look at what's happened, we've literally found support just above this key area here from 24 December 2020, and that's a big area of support that we cannot lose for AAVE, otherwise we will be coming down to $50 and possibly even lower levels. But as you see, we did get a bounce off that $64 level, now trading at $75, hopefully going to get a bounce over to $111 if we get the recovery over the next few weeks. Right now, a lot of fear, doubt and lack of confidence for investors and retailers because of the Terra Luna incident. It's not good for stablecoins. If stablecoins go pop, everything else can effectively go pop. And we also saw Tether, USDT, lose a bit of peg against the dollar. So what I want to show you right now as well is, this is ideally a good entry level for AAVE. So if you do want to grab some, not financial advice, I'm just a YouTuber, I do buy AAVE regularly, but you can use my link in the description below at the very top. Set up a very secure account for eToro, FCA, SciSec accredited, get some AAVE and add it to your long-term HODL portfolio should you wish. Now, I do anticipate that we will get a bounce to the upside, and I do think this project will stay with us for a long time. If we look at the future market cycle predictions, we can look at $833, $900, and even $1,000. But of course, this can take over a year for us to get to these levels. We're going to need a lot of accumulation, a lot of time, and a lot of trust to come back into the market. Another thing I'm looking out for is also the BLX. This particular chart is very important. Market cycle tops to bottom on Bitcoin, as you see, particular highs to lows. We had a 93% correction, 75, 85, 85, 2017. So far I've had 58%. To assume we come down to the 200-week moving average, because I think we will come down to the 200-week moving average. This purple line here, we did it in 2014, we did it in 2017. As soon as we come down to that purple line, which will be around $22,000, that's when I'm going to start going crazy on accumulating more Bitcoin. And I will wait, because I want to get the most close to perfect entry as possible. And that's just something I quickly wanted to share with you as well, guys. So keep an eye out on that one. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we're looking at 12 at the moment. So it is looking pretty fearful, to be honest, but fear usually does represent a good opportunity. Fear is what makes people sell and invalidate the logic. Just like when we have the greed, you FOMO in, you're buying the project, you think you're going to make money, and then a week later it dumps, corrects 30%, you get angry, la-di-da-di-da. I do want to also share with you an Altcoin Gem, one that I'm very bullish on over the next year or two, or even 3, DeFiCoins.io. They've got a great staking and DeFi swap decentralized exchange. You can actually get 75% APY staking this project locked in. So far, a very low market cap of 38 million. Why am I bullish? Well, they've got a really nice roadmap, and they have the cash flow and reserves for marketing and PR and networking, but this hasn't had its chance to hit some massive euphoric highs yet. Like many projects, once they do hit a high, they really don't recover, and only few of them with utility and other greatness about them actually stand the test of time, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin or, things like that, XRP. But yeah, this is basically my update on AAVE, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Right now, I don't see much strength for AAVE, but I do see a possible great opportunity to grab some of these levels and take profits around the $113 level, where we probably see rejection and more continuation to the downside, something like boom, 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 rejection. And then, maybe we just trade in this nice sort of range between $65 and $112 for a while. And if you like the video, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a suggestion.